today with Jeri at the little house. Yes, you don't recognize the surroundings because I'm in my art room at the little house, and I came over today because my hubs brought over about, oh gosh, at least 30 boxes, I think. I haven't counted them, full of fabric. And behind me, forgive the echo because I'm in an empty room, but behind me are shelving units. That's my closet where I'm going to put my fabric, and I'm going to put it in there by the Roy G. Biv. So the red, orange, yellow, you know, that whole thing. And I'm really excited about doing this. So he brought the boxes over yesterday, and yeah, I'm a happy girl. So I just wanted to share that with you, and let me show you the closet. So I have the camera is on a tripod today. And so let me turn it around. I'll show you some of the boxes that he brought over. Yeah. And there's some on the floor. And you see that part of the wall that's not finished? There's going to be a doorway actually on the other side of that wall that's going to lead into the kitchen at some point. We're going to put an addition on in the spring. It's going to be a 2-car garage with a little space, and I will tell you about that another time. So here we are in the little house. And that's the fridge. That's the only thing that's in here. All the windows. He brought me over this beautiful table so I could sit and fold my fabric if I needed to. While I was here, oh, let's go in and let me show you the bathroom. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about the bathroom. It's not completed. He was missing a part, so here's the door. And I've got this vintage cabinet right here that I'm gonna probably leave there. I'm debating, but now you come in, oops, we're on a tripod, so I'm carrying the whole tripod. So you come in and there's tile halfway up the wall. I just love the trim on the bottom. Okay, so the sink is the problem. He's missing a gasket for the sink, so it's not finished. But the toilet is in. There it is. And I got a vintage toilet paper holder. Yeah, he had to hunt all over eBay for that. And then he made, oh, now you can see me. See, there I am. I'm standing with the tripod in my hand. So this is a medicine cabinet that he made me, and it is, let me go over here. Meanwhile, I'll show you the bathtub. There's the bathtub area, the shower. So this is the closet, and it's a full-length mirror with a medicine cabinet inside. Isn't that cool? I saw them online. They were like $1,000, and forget it. That's not happening. So he made it. All right. I'm going to turn the camera off for a second because I don't want to make you sick with me moving. All right. So now I'm at the other end of, there's the sink over there. See? I'm at the other end of the room, and that's the bathroom over there. And I'm going to have a sink, a slop sink there. That's the stand for it. I found this really cool vintage sink that we're going to use. And so this is the art room. That's the closet where you see those, that door. We need to replace those windows. And there's the outside. That's the house. And yeah, all right, I'll come back and chit chat with you again in a few minutes. Okay, I had to pop back on because I just found this box. Oh my gosh. I didn't even realize it was in with my fabric. It's all my ratty rag bags, boxes, not boxes, baskets. Aren't they cute? I told you we did art shows, and we had them at an art show, and they were packed away. Oh my gosh, I remember this one. I made this is a really big one. I made this one for my mom's mail, and she didn't want to use it. Anyway, so I wound up with it again. Oh my gosh, look, there's so many of them. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at this cute, oh, look at this cute one. Oh my God. You know what? I digress. Okay, because you know what else is in this box? box. Oh my gosh. I made these soda can flowers. There's a whole bag of them. I made them into pins, and I would put them on, look, I have a video on it. You could look down in my description. I made a whole bag of them, all different sizes. And earrings, oh my gosh. Soda can earrings. Oh my gosh, they're in here. Oh my goodness. All right, and you know what else? Because this is what I've really been looking for forever. Cards. I made all these cute little cards. I'm standing up now, sorry. I'm excited. I made all these cute little cards, and I couldn't find them and couldn't find them. And here they are. Oh, I'm so happy. Look how cute they are. I didn't bring my good glasses here, so I can hardly see what I'm doing. Look how cute they are. And there's glare. Look, aren't they adorable? Who loves you? There's a whole stack of them. Oh my gosh. Moving is interesting, isn't it? I know a couple of you left me a message in the comments saying that you were getting ready to move. So this is what you have to look forward to, finding a box of goodies. All right, I'll be back. This is going to take a really long time. But it does look nice, doesn't it?